intelligence is everywhere right now. It's writing code, generating art, summarizing books in seconds, even passing law exams. And that's exciting, but it's also a little scary because behind all headlines is one big question, which is what about me? What about my career? What about my future? Here is what I want you to know. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces tasks. And that means that the skills that are most human judgment, creativity, empathy, adaptability are not just safe, they are more valuable than ever. So today I want to give you a roadmap we are going to break down 6 high income skills that AI won't replace in 2026. Each one of them is a skill you can learn, sharpen, and also use to build a future to prove your career. Let's dive in. Number one skills, advanced programming and cybersecurity. Now I know what you are thinking. But wait, isn't AI already writing code? Yes, it is. But here is the difference. AI is like an assistant. It can write snippets, but it can't design complex systems or make tough decisions. Think of a skyscraper or a machine that can actually help you to pour the concrete, but only decide how tall it can be, what materials it is expected to use, and how to make it safe. That's the role of advanced programs. And then there's a cybersecurity everywhere. Every new app, every AI model creates new abilities, new vulnerabilities. Hackers are using AI to get smarter. Companies, governments, and even hospitals need human experts who can actually outthink and also attack, defend in real life. That's why if you are in advanced programming or if you can combine coding with cybersecurity, you are not just in future proof, you are the one of the most in demand, highest paying field on this planet. Number two skill, legal and strategic judgment. Yes, AI can actually summarize case law. It can draft contract, but let me ask you, if your freedom was on the line, would you trust a chatbot to defend you in the court? Or will you want a skilled lawyer that can actually read the room, persuade the judge, and also argue? Law is about more than information, it's about interpretation and ethics. And this actually applies to businesses too. AI can give you the numbers, but it can't choose the right path. Strategy isn't just logic, it's about timing, psychology, culture, and risk. That's why lawyers, negotiators, and business strategists will continue to command premium because their work isn't mechanically, it's judgment based. And judgment is just something machines doesn't have. Skill three, therapy, mental health, and emotional support. We live in an age of burnout, anxiety, and constant pressure. Sure, AI chat what can actually say, I'm sorry you're feeling that, but is it feeling? What people crave is empathy, a human who listens, not just the words, but to the silence. Someone who recognizes body language, tone, and also context. Tell when there are no perfect words. That's why therapists, psychologists, and counselors are irreplaceable. Emotional intelligence is not programming. And a mental health awareness rises. The demand for these professionals skyrockets. Add in telehealth, where you can actually consult people across the world. And suddenly, this skills isn't just novel, it's also highly lucrative. If you're watching this video till now, do well to click the like button, comment, subscribe to this channel. Number four, skilled traders and hand-on expertise. You see, robots aren't crawling under your sink anytime soon. Here is the kicker: there is a shortage of skilled workers. Young people are filling those roles. That means higher demand and higher pay. Skill five, creativity and storytelling. Yes, AI can split out an essay or generate a painting, but AI doesn't feel joy. It doesn't feel heartbreak or it doesn't wonder. It can imitate, but it can't create meaning. Think of your favorite movie, your favorite song, your favorite books. You don't love it because it was efficient. You love it because it made you feel something, right? That's why human creators, writers, filmmakers, designers, artists will always matter. Culture isn't built by algorithms, it's built by storytellers. And in businesses, storytelling is gold. Brand doesn't sell products, they sell stories. Nick doesn't just sell shoes, they sell inspiration. Doesn't just sell devices, they sell belongings. If you can tell stories that move people, you are not just safe from AI, you are positioned to thrive in one of the highest paying skills set in the this is emotional intelligence, leadership, and ethics. You see, machines can calculate, but they can't inspire. They can't unite a team during crisis. They can't actually negotiate peace between conflicts and sides. That's why leadership comes in because leadership is about trust. It's about guiding people through uncertainty. It's about knowing when to push and when to listen, and also when to compromise. And let's not forget ethics. Just because AI can do something should it? This question requires human judgment, human value, and human courage. The best leaders of the future won't be the ones who fight AI. They will be the ones who actually help it while staying deeply to be a human. If you can lead with the empathy, vision, and principle, no algorithm can actually beat with you. So let's also recap the six high income skills AI wants to replace in 2026. And number one is advanced programming and cyber security, which I thought that. And number two is legal and strategic judgment. Number three is therapy and emotional support. And number four is skill traits and hands-on work, which is expertise. So if you're watching this video till now, do well to click the like button, comment, subscribe to this channel, and wait for more videos.